children. Welcome to Jack's birthday party. This is the bird villain, and I have stolen all of Jack's birthday gifts and hidden them away so that only I can enjoy them. However, Scooby-Doo and his gang are hot on my trail and have left clues in and around the house to help you solve the mystery of the stolen gifts and discover my true identity. Those meddling kids. It's your job to follow the clues, pick up a treat along the way, and find the gifts in me, if you can. Clue number 1. The gang split up, and some went upstairs, and some downstairs, and some outside. Velma stayed downstairs and lost her glasses and her iPad, which has the clue on it. They were lost in a room in this house where sometimes guests spend the night. Go find her glasses, iPad,